comes the track maintenance train. It's customized. You'll see it as it comes by. Custom decals. It's got 3 track clean cars. So it's a F3A and 2 F3Bs, and then the REA Express cleaning car, I believe, is an old Roco, just a drag. And then the Southern Pacific and the, I guess it's PVYX, are both Aztec cars. So we'll just follow them around a little bit, and then I'll meet them on the other side. You'll notice I've been doing a little bit of painting on the water areas. So, but we'll let it go through San Angelo up here, and then we'll meet it around the other side. Should be coming around the bend here shortly, and there it is. And once again, you can see a little bit of some of the water stuff I've been painting. So, been kind of busy lately. And I've noticed even with 3 engines, the drag is quite a bit when you're trying to clean, especially that car that's being dragged. This one. It'll go across the Michelson Junction, and it'll go up into Michelson. And you'll notice it's kind of messy here right now. This is cheesecloth that's glued down. It provides a base for the scenery that I'll be doing, because it'll get a wash of plastic or plaster, and it'll go up. I've actually added, I had some extra buildings in a different place. I went ahead and added them in here, and this will be the town of West Helix. Just kind of a maintenance shed, actually. So, but I've been kind of working on this. You can see the whole area here, and moving some buildings around up there in Michelson. That's just what I do. And one of the things I did, I borrowed from Vinny at BNSF 6951. Is I've added a little bit of width on this top level, and I'm going to be scenicking just this top edge, and I have some fascia that's going to go in here and seal this up, at least up to this point, and I'm going to leave the rest of this open. And here she comes. This is a very accident-prone town. If you notice all the car accidents up in here, and I've just been moving stuff around. So, and this place has already been plastered. It still needs some rock molds, but I got tired of looking at the white. And there'll be some fascia that's going to come up here to give me a little bit more area for buildings. So, but that's about the end of the ride for the maintenance train. So we'll see you next time.